Hey, what's up guys? This is tutorial number 6 I believe, and this is going to be a two-part tutorial actually because it's pretty long and fairly complex. And here we are going to make a random number guessing game. And, a random number guessing game is basically a game, or I guess a program, that you enter a number into a text field, and the program is going to find out if it matches the random number that was generated. If it does, it's going to say you won. If it doesn't, it's going to say, we're sorry, but you lost. And it's going to make sure that you can't enter, like, bogus information like A or parentheses or anything else into the text field. So, this should work pretty good. First thing you can do is import a few things, so pause now if you don't have those, but I'm going to minimize them. And then these programs all start off the same, so you should probably just try to memorize what you write in. You type in extends JFrame, and then you always declare your variables first. We're going to need two variables. Two integer variables. A random number that the computer is going to generate, and a guess which the user is going to generate through the text field. So int random num, and these are not going to be equal to anything because they're both going to be generated by the computer and then by the person playing and guess. And then we're going to need probably a button, so and a text field, so whoops, yeah, remember you gotta capitalize these. Alright, so now we're gonna need three labels. First label is gonna say enter a random number 1 through 10. The second one is gonna say it's gonna say if you won or lost, and the third one is gonna say what the number was to see how close the user was to getting the random number correct. So I'll call this one the prompt, if I could spell right, label, and then the result label. You can name these whatever you want, but they don't have to be called what I call them, but it's probably easier if you just do, so you can follow along better. And then the random label. Now, we're done declaring variables, so go down, start your constructor. Alright, now we need to set all of our stuff equal to something, except we're not going to set these integers equal to anything yet. That'll happen when we actually click the button. So I think the first thing we'll have is the prompt label. Prompt label, spell that right. Alright, is equal to new j label, and then inside that label we're going to have it say enter a random number 1 through 10. And if you want, you can make your game 1 through 20, 1 through 40, 1 through 36, 1 through 2. I don't really care, but it doesn't matter. I'll show you how to change how high it goes to. Now we're going to add our prompt label. Now probably after that we're going to have a text field, so they're right next to each other. So text field is equal to new j text field. And for a width, I'm going to have it fairly short because you only need to enter like 2 digits max. So I'll also have 5 columns, I guess. And then add text field to this window. Now we need a button. So button is equal to new j button. Guess, that's the button has a value of guess. That's what it's going to say on the button, so the user knows what to click. And then add button. Now we still have this result label and prompt label, but these are going to actually be set to nothing at first, and then they're going to get values in them when the button is clicked. So result label equals new j label and nothing, So it really won't see it, but it'll be there. And then result label. And then random label. And this one, in case you're confused, this one is gonna say like the random number generated was 5. And that way the user knows how close they were. Like, say they guessed a 6 and it's a 5, they'll be like, oh man, I was only 1 away from getting it. So that's why I'm adding this. You don't have to add it, but I think it kind of makes it a little more interesting. So oh, alright. Type right. Yeah. And add random label. Okay. Now, is that it? No. Oh, alright. We need one more thing. So we need to give the button an action listener, so it knows when it gets clicked, it has to do something. So just like last couple tutorials, you gotta go. I just use a name an event just so I know what it does. Event e equals new event, and then it's giving us errors because we haven't made the class yet. Connect friend symbol class event, so that's alright. It'll go away, and then button dot add action listener e, just like that. Alright, so now go out of our constructor, go down a couple lines, and then say public class event implements action listener, and don't capitalize the I. Oh my god, what the heck? Listener. And then it's giving us another error because we haven't made the action performed method yet. So public void action performed action event e, just like that. And yep. So let's see, I'm running low on time, so I think this is where I'm gonna stop this one and just find the one that says tutorial number 7, and you'll be able to find the continuation of this program, and I'll leave off right here. So hope to see you for the next one.